Hey you guys, it's Shelly Turner, the Builderall Diva. Hopefully you can hear me, but I'm here in Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm at the Peabody Hotel, and we're getting ready to have a great dinner. I'm so excited about it, and lots of stuff going on with Tony and I tonight, so we're really excited. But I wanted to take a moment to let you guys know that with Builderall, I have been able to make $2,000 this week. It's absolutely crazy. And I want to tell you that I didn't do a whole lot because I was very busy with Builderall stuff. So you can do this. You can absolutely do this. And I'm going to tell you how you can do this. You can actually join the live training coming up on Monday, and it'll be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's going to be absolutely insane, and it's going to teach you how you can put your own products online, whether it's a physical product or a digital product. We're going to give you everything you need to get it done, and it's going to be really, really exciting, you guys. And we're not going to give you the product, but we're going to show you how to find your product, whether it's a physical product or a digital product, and I'm going to teach you how to make your own product. So super duper excited about it, and I hope you'll be there. I'll put the link to it down in the description in the bottom if you want to come. And if you're not a part of Builderall, I want to invite you to be a part of the Builderall Team Awesome. But you have to be awesome to be part of it. That's the requirement. So jump on into Builderall. The link is down below where you can join. I would love to have you as a member of our team and support you as you learn how to generate an income online using the 40+ Builderall tools. Now, we're here at the Memphis Peabody. I have some ducks to watch. They're getting ready to march back up to the roof so they can go to bed for the night. That'll be in just a little while. So we're gonna enjoy a little bit to eat, watch the ducks march, and then we're gonna have a really nice dinner tonight in Memphis. And hopefully when I get home, I'll have made even more money with Builderall. It's crazy, you guys. Very, very exciting. I hope you join my team, and I can't wait to see you on the inside. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I gotta figure out how to close it.